So, good evening, kids, and hope you all have done the homework which was given. This was the homework. Okay, right. Question number 2. Now, see the question number third one, which is on page number 134. Now, as I had told you, that we used to measure the weight of the objects with the help of two standard units, that is kg means kilogram and g means gram. When the weight of the object is more, जब ज़्यादा होता है, we use kilogram. Suppose if the weight of the object is less, means this is the smaller unit, so we use gram. Okay, now here two weight are given, unit of weights are given. Gram, as you all can see here, g which stand for gram and kg which stand for kilogram. Now this one is used if the weight of the object is less. जब कम होता है we use gram, and if it is more we use this kilogram. Now here certain objects are given and we have to match it with the correct unit. जो unit हम use कर सकते हैं उसके साथ आपको match करना है. Okay, suppose if you will see this iron bed, it will be more. Okay, so here we are not going to use this gram, we'll use kilogram. So we are going to match it with this. Okay, now one more thing I want to say you कि 1 kg means 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram होता है. ओके, जब 1000 ग्राम होता है तब जाके 1 किलोग्राम बनता है. ओके, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर. ओके, आफ्टर दैट द पैकेट ऑफ बिस्किट 1 kg होगा? नहीं होगा. सो हियर वी आर गोइंग टू यूज ग्राम. ओके, सेम वे न्यूज़पेपर 1 kg होगा? नहीं होगा, हम उसे भी ग्राम 1 kg से कम होगा. सो हियर ऑल्सो वी आर गोइंग टू यूज ग्राम. ओके, सेम वे द वेट ऑफ दिस मैन, आपका वेट अगर आपने सुना होगा तो किलोग्राम होता है कि भाई 1 kg 3 kg 4 kg ऐसा होता है, 25 kg 30 kg. तो सेम वे द वेट ऑफ दिस मैन विल बी मोर. वी कांट मेजर इन gram. It will be easy for us if we measure the weight of this man in kilogram. So here we are going to match it with. Okay, same way one more rice, it will be also measured in kilogram क्योंकि उसका वजन भी ज़्यादा होता है. Now we'll move ahead. Ice cream, see this one, here we are going to use gram. Okay, same way some other objects are also here. Try to do it yourself, socho, and then do it. Okay, that will be your homework. Okay, now see the next question, question number 4, which is on page number next page number 135. Okay, see this. Put right for the object weighing more than 1 kg and put wrong for the object weighing less than. मतलब हमें जिस चीज़ का वजन 1 kg से ज़्यादा होता हो, there we are going to put right tick mark, and if the weight is less than 1 kg we are going to put wrong mark. Okay, now 1 banana, it will be less than 1 kg. So here we are going to put wrong mark. Then a set of this pencil color, उसका भी 1 kg वजन नहीं होगा. So we are going to put here wrong mark again. Now see the boy, the weight of the boy will be more than 1 kg. So ये 1 kg से ज़्यादा होगा. So here we are going to put right mark. Okay, same way a chair 1 kg से ज़्यादा होगा. So we'll put here right mark. A doll, the weight of the doll is less than 1 kg. So we'll put here wrong mark. Then a fan, its weight will be more than 1 kg. So put here right mark. Then here duster, अगर आपने उठाया होगा क्लास में तो आपको पता है 1 kg नहीं होता है, it will be less than 1 kg. So we'll put here wrong mark. Then a watermelon, it might be 1 kg, more than 1 kg होता है, right? So write a compass box, it weight will be less than, कम होगा, so you're wrong. Then a camera, less, so here wrong. Then weight of the pigeon, उसका भी might be ज़्यादा होगा 1 kg से, या फिर कम भी हो सकता है. So we don't know the exact weight, so according to me it might be weight होगा 1 kg. So I'm going to put it right mark here. Then the puppy, yes 1 kg से ज़्यादा होगा. Then this grinder machine, yes जिसे बोलते हैं हम गरगंटी बोलते हैं, yes 1 से ज़्यादा होगा. Then bowl, no, it weight will be less than 1 kg, so wrong. Yes, see the mango, total there are 12, means dozen is there, so most probably the weight is will be more than 1 kg. So here also we are going to put right mark. Okay, so these 2 questions you will do it in your homework. Bye, take care, thank you.